So for messaging development, this is essentially taking a lot of the information that we've had prior and then being able to put it into action through our workspace. So the number one thing is, what is the value proposition? What is the direct claim in your offer? What are you selling? What is a guarantee or risk reversal in your offer? Do you have a guarantee? Is there risk reversal within the case studies that you've provided, a money back, or a service, maybe pay per call, for example, for doing cold email? That would be the risk reversals that are in place. How are you reducing the risk in your offer? And how much logistical intensity are you transferring in your offer towards yourself? How much pain are you taking away from your client and then bringing it to yourself to be able to service them without the stress of them worrying about whatever your service may provide? So then from crafting the offer, craft the offer for one ICP persona cluster at a time. Again, we separate these segments. So we have sample work at a low upfront cost or payment completion. This is one strategy that we're able to do where it's just a sample. If that's something that you guys are open to, again, we have these different methods that we're able to implement. Next is the front end cold traffic friendly offer. Maybe there is something that you'll be able to provide to them that is just a piece of your service to be able to get some interest up front, free trial, or even sales asset generations. Whether we need to create a white paper for you, a playbook, a case study breakdown, any kind of lead magnet that's going to then prove that you are who you say you are, and then we're able to have that service for your clients. So we can build out something like this, where we're building out essentially what is going to prove to them that you guys are going to be the ones to be able to handle this exact service. So really, we would offer that upfront in the cold email, send it over, and then book the call from there. Really helps with being able to make sure that the calls that we are booking that are qualified are especially interested in your service because they've done prior research and they've seen the information before just hopping on a call. So from there, we're developing the messaging angles. Once we have exactly what we're going to do, we then go into the angles of specific pain points that we found, relevant case studies of competitors. Maybe you've worked with one of their competitors and we can prove that and just show the results that they've gotten. No-brainer, risk-reduced offer. This could be a guarantee, as well as unique data point call out. Maybe you're going into a specific number that you've reached for your clients or a specific number of companies that are failing at this service that you can then provide, as well as unique market insight call out. Maybe there's something new happening in 2026 that you guys have found that others have not. So this could be very insightful. So all of these are all about bringing value to the people that we're reaching out to then prove that this is a valuable service and that we want to be able to bring it to them. So we feed the entire message context to Claude, as well as prompt to generate A to Z split test variants. We have 2 to 3 split tests that we are able to run for each cold email campaign. And then we review and perform QA, as well as mass personalize it at scale if needed. So this is when we go into the sequencer, we take all the information that we've built out and then personalize each message to every company that we're reaching out to, every person that we have on our list. And then again, we're sending the copy to the sequencer to be able to launch the service.